Hey guys, welcome back to Pincha Pink Salt. Today we are going to be making this delicious chocolatey mug cake. Let's get into it. So of course, to start we are going to need a mug, and this is a disclaimer, this recipe is doubled because I am using a pretty big mug. Alright, so to start we are going to add our flour, our cocoa powder, baking powder, some pink salt, and we're going to mix that together. And once we have everything well mixed, we're now going to add in our sugar. Now guys, please do not freak out. Like I said, this recipe is doubled, okay? So I know it looks like a lot of sugar, but it really isn't. We're adding in our almond milk, and now we're gonna add in our oil. So I'm just using plain veggie oil, and if you'd like, you can add in a splash of vanilla. We're gonna mix all these ingredients together. As you're mixing, make sure you're scraping down the sides and you're scraping the bottom. We wanna make sure all the dry ingredients are incorporated with the wet. And when it is done, we're gonna add in some chocolate chips. This is just gonna add, some more chocolatey flavor and some texture. And we're going to mix that in as well. And once we have everything well mixed, it'll look just like this. And of course, chocolate lovers, we have to add some more chocolate, right? So I just added some chocolate to the top, and now we're gonna put it in our microwave. So for a small or single serving, this should take about 1 to 2 minutes. If you have a large mug or a double serving like myself, this took me about 4 to 5 minutes. And when it's done, it'll look like this. So of course we want to make sure we let it cool down before tasting, but when it is time to taste, I promise you guys are not going to be disappointed. This is the perfect way to get your chocolate fix. You don't want to make a huge cake, you just want to make something for yourself, and you want to make it quick. This is a great way to have some chocolate cake in less than 5 minutes. It is so great, it's so amazing, it tastes so delicious. I really hope you guys try this recipe out. If you do, let me know in the comments below. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, definitely consider subscribing. I put out new recipes every single week. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like. Until next time guys, have a wonderful day and be safe. Bye!